Hi viewers, today I would like to show you all how to use word effects on Facebook Messenger. Let's have a look. First, open Facebook Messenger. Make sure your Facebook Messenger up to date. From chats, open the conversation you want to customize. Tap the conversation name at the top of the screen. Here you will see a new feature called Word Effects. Tap Word Effects. Add effects to your chat. Pair words that have special meaning with fun effects. Everyone will see an animation whenever these words are used. So type word to create word effects. Then tap the emoji icon from left side of the word. Choose an emoji for effect. So I have chosen this emoji for this word. Tap send button to save this effect. Everyone can use this word and see their effect. Tap done on top right. You can add more word with emoji for effect. Add one by one and you can use them when you need. To use this word effect on chat, go to the chat and type the word. Then tap send button. When you tap send button, it will show the animation. Everyone can see this animation. So these are the steps to use word effects on Facebook Messenger. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.